It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, and I want to share something with you which I've learned from people's experiences, what they have come to say, how I wish I knew this before I started investing in real estate. Before starting out, you need to know these key things. You don't just need to buy real estate, you need to buy real estate the smart way. I've heard people say, I thought that owning land was enough. I didn't know that there was a right way to invest and a way to lose money with your eyes even wide open. So let me help you to skip this mistake, which a lot of investors, home buyers have made. Let me guide you and walk you through it one step at a time. Here are 5 things every real estate beginner, every first-time investor should know before investing. Number 1 is to define your investment purpose. By this, you need to ask yourself, am I buying to build, to flip, to hold for value, or for rental income? Most people buy land without a clear plan. But let me tell you, real estate only pays off when you align your purpose and your why. Your why determines where, when, and how much. Number 2 is to know that not all lands are equal. Do a background check. It is very important. If it is cheap and fast, please pause. Ask questions. Ask, what is the title? Is it free from government acquisition, free from encumbrances? Here's the truth you need to know. A plot without the right document is a financial time bomb. You need to verify the deed of assignment, the registered survey, the accession, the gazette, or even the C of O. Number 3, you don't need to be rich to start. Use leverage. This is one of the biggest myths in real estate actually, that you need millions to start investing, that you need millions to start building wealth through real estate. There are several smart options that you can use to make money through real estate. You can use installment payments, you can go through land banking. If you know where to look, then you'll be able to know how to start small and grow rich. Number 4, you need to know that location is not just about today. So you need to think 3 years ahead, 5 years ahead, or even 10 years ahead. That it is hot today doesn't mean that it is always wise. You need to buy where development is heading, not just where the noise is. You need to learn how to spot growth corridors, where governments have interests, and where urban spillovers are heading to. That's where the massive return on investment lives. That is where the smart money plays. It is very essential. Put your eyes and your ears in the ground. And number 5, very critical, you need to work with a trusted real estate guy, not just a seller. Real estate is not a market where you should figure it out as you go. No, you need someone who knows the terrain, who reads documents, who sees what is coming and puts your interest first. That's the difference between a regretful buyer and a fulfilled investor. Here are my final words to you this morning. If you're thinking of starting your real estate investment journey, don't just start, do it smart. Don't just buy land, buy knowledge, buy clarity, and buy rights. If you need my help, go ahead and send me a DM if you're ready to start your journey the right way. Whether you're in Nigeria, whether you're abroad, I've got you covered. Let me help you avoid the pitfalls, protect your investment, and show you how to grow with confidence. Real estate should help you earn peace of mind and not problems. My name is Angela Kelechi Ibako, your go-to real estate guide here in the city of Enugu. Have a lovely day.